I would love to introduce our speaker for today. I don't know if you guys are so excited about blockchain, but I am, and that's the reason why I'm actually doing this host. So, who do we have today? We have Tanisha Jackson. Can I have a round of applause, please? Yeah, thank you. So Tanisha is the CEO of All About Blockchain, a strategic consulting and engineering firm. Her TEDx talk, Staking in Blockchain, Investing in a More Equitable Future, reflects her deep passion for blockchain and decentralized finance, while her blockchain product management certificate from ELVTR, taught by mastercard, exemplifies her drive to innovate and inspire change. Now, with a sound of applause, let's welcome Tanisha Jackson to the stage.
Hello everyone, and what an incredible energy is in the room today. I am absolutely thrilled to be here in Calgary, in the beautiful southern Alberta, for YYC Datacon 2025, the biggest and most exciting data conference yet. My name is Tashina Jackson, and I've had the privilege of working across various aspects of blockchain. From speaking on proof of stake and my collaborations with F2 Pool and Stakefish, a leading mining pool and validator, and engaging with brilliant minds at hackathons and global conferences, I've witnessed firsthand the innovations shaping this space today. Today we have 25 minutes, maybe a little more, to dive into something genuinely transformative. We'll explore blockchain not just as a technology, but as a movement, one that is reshaping industries, economics, and the way we connect in the digital world today. While blockchain has been around for 3 decades, it took off with Bitcoin in 2009. Since then, our economy, our ecosystem has been tested, challenged, and evolved in ways we never imagined. We faced hurdles, we've made leaps, and today, in 2025, we stand on the brink of a new era. There's so much history here that I would love to cover, but for now, here are some excellent books to get you started. But how did we get here? And where are we headed next? To answer that, I want to take you on a journey through 3 key themes. They are technology, applications, and community. First, technology. Understanding blockchain's origins, how it works, and why it matters. This foundation is crucial to unlocking real-world data, privacy, security, and transparency solutions. Second is applications. Exploring groundbreaking innovations, decentralized protocols, and organizations harnessing blockchain to empower millions across the globe. There are stories of real impact. And thirdly, community. Because beyond the code, blockchain is about you. It's about the people. It's about the trust, fostering collaboration, and decentralizing the power to create a more connected and resilient world. So let's begin by starting with the basics. What is blockchain? Blockchain is an exciting, transformative development in the world of decentralized technology and cryptographic security. It's remarkable to think about how it builds on the efforts of previous researchers, who envisioned a way to create a secure chain of blocks to protect against document timestamp tampering. It wasn't until 2009 that this innovative idea truly came to life. With the introduction of Bitcoin, the first currency, brought to us by the mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. At its essence, blockchain functions as a decentralized distributed ledger, a tool that allows users to record transactions across numerous computers in a secure, transparent, and unchangeable way. This approach offers a refreshing contrast to the traditional centralized systems, where a single entity maintains control. Instead, blockchain empowers a network of nodes to collaborate and reach consensus, fostering a sense of community and trust amongst its users. It's a significant step towards creating a fairer and more inclusive system, where users feel more in control and independent. There are 4 fundamental pillars that make this blockchain revolutionary. We've got decentralization, transparency, and an immutability and security. We'll start with decentralization. The data on blockchain is not stored on a central server or database, but rather is distributed across a network of computers known as nodes. This makes the system more resilient to censorship and hacking, as there is no single point of failure. Next is transparency. Every transaction on a public blockchain is visible to all participants on the network, making it a transparent system. This transparency is essential to increasing trust, accountability, and in various industries, making users feel more secure, informed about their interactions. The ledger of Bitcoin, and all cryptocurrencies for that matter, can be inspected online. Allow anyone to track and analyze transactions in real time. Next, we have immutability. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered, deleted without the consensus of the network. This ensures the integrity of the data and makes it tamper-proof. Then third is security. Blockchain uses cryptographic algorithms to secure the data on the blockchain. This makes it difficult for hackers to tamper with or access the data without authorization. Digital blockchain wallets like MetaMask, Phantom, and Kepler are web browser attachments for Web3. They handle the public key cryptography for the user, providing a clean user experience with decentralized applications. So why do these features matter? Because at its core, it's all about the trust. It's in a digital world where data can't be altered or erased. Blockchain provides a foundation of security and integrity. Over time, layers of technology have been built on top of this foundation, empowering developers and creators like yourselves to design software that isn't just functional, but fundamentally reliable. Thank you so much for the developers who have supplied their energy, efforts to make this happen. Thank you so much. This brings us to Ethereum. Ethereum introduced a global decentralized computing system, a platform where developers could build applications directly on the blockchain using smart contracts and tokens. Other blockchains have emerged, each exploring new frontiers, pushing the boundaries of speed, scalability, and privacy. Take Solana, for example. It introduced proof of history, an innovation and an innovative consensus mechanism that timestamps transactions before they're added to the blockchain. This approach enables incredibly fast transactions with minimal fees. Injective, on the other hand, is designed specifically for financial applications. It offers a decentralized order book and support for tokenized traditional assets like stocks and commodities, making it a powerful tool for the future of finance. Then there's Alio, which leverages zero-knowledge cryptography and built on a decentralized privacy layer for safely handling confidential user information. All of these applications are built with smart contracts. Smart contracts are a perfect example of how blockchain can automate agreements. These are self-executing programs with the terms of agreement directly within the code. For example, a smart contract could automatically transfer digital asset ownership once a specific condition is met without needing a third party. And because the code behind them is transparent and open for review, everyone can be assured these systems are working. As a developer, how do you get started? Well, blockchain is designed for developers. It is a platform where your code has a significant impact, where your software can achieve lasting performance, and where you can create solutions that millions of people can rely on all the time. There is a robust ecosystem of people, companies, and projects that have dedicated years to building compilers, tools, and development environments. This ecosystem enables developers to build safely and innovatively, turning ideas into products that serve users around the world today in 2025. We understand that software deployed on chain has the durability that can withstand the test of time, and it empowers us to create our own solutions on top of it. Our code can work together seamlessly on the blockchain, allowing us to collaborate and support one another. What would you like to build on blockchain technology? Now that we understand the fundamentals, let's explore the exciting world of applications. Stable coins have experienced remarkable growth over the past 5 years, emerging as the most widely used blockchain application. These tokens, pegged to the fiat currencies like the US dollar, provide a seamless, fully redeemable digital alternative. Stablecoins are reshaping the landscape of global finance, offering billions a stable, borderless transaction solution. It is significant in regions with unstable currencies like Argentina and Turkey. When stablecoins are now a common choice for everyday trade and savings, the fact that every major player, like PayPal, are now launching stablecoin highlights their mainstream adoption. By streamlining across transactions, an industry worth 150 trillion, yes, with a T, reduces costs and removes frictions. Companies like Circle hold billions in assets to back their tokens, reinforcing trust and transparency. Transaction volumes of stablecoins have passed Visa and MasterCard. Visa and MasterCard are now partnering with crypto firms like MetaMask to make crypto payments anywhere they are acceptable. Stablecoins are not just financial tools. They are the foundation of a decentralized, always on and accessible global economic system. One that empowers individuals and strengthens institutional trust with trust in our code. Stablecoins are also a fundamental part of DeFi, secretly one of my favorites. Raise your hand if you have heard of DeFi. Nice, perfect. Traditional finance has long relied on banks, brokers, and institutions for lending, trading, and investing. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is changing this by providing an open, permissionless alternative financial system. DeFi is currently worth $134 billion in total value locked now. Considering this has only happened in the past 5 years, those are incredible leaps and bounds, just incredible. DeFi enables peer-to-peer transactions, automating lending and borrowing, and transparent portfolio management by using smart contracts. This increase in efficiency brought about by smart contracts streamlines the process and opens up new avenues for growth and innovation in a financial sector. Key DeFi platforms illustrate the potential of this new financial landscape. Aave, Morpho, and Compound are decentralized protocols, allowing users to lend and borrow using digital assets such as Bitcoin and stablecoins like USDC. Meanwhile, decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap and Osmosis, offer seamless asset trading across multiple blockchain networks through liquidity pools. These platforms are decentralized. Now finance can become a more open, efficient, and inclusive network. The financial landscape continues to evolve, with tokenization playing a key role in this shift. By turning real-world assets like real estate, commodities, and securities into digital tokens on the blockchain. Tokenization improves accessibility, liquidity, and efficiency. Tokenization is not just a trend. It is a bridge between traditional and decentralized finance. Tokenization transforms how we invest by converting physical assets like real estate or art into digital tokens on the blockchain. This process creates an exciting new opportunities for people around the world. To invest and get involved in markets that were previously hard to access. A notable example is ondo.finance, which is lending the way in developing a semi-permissioned blockchain for tokenizing real-world assets. Their method keeps the benefits of blockchain clear and open, while allowing banks and other financial organizations to take on the role of validators. This means they help confirm transactions and ensure that everything runs smoothly and fairly, following the rules set by regulators. This model enables broker deals to create tokens directly, making securities more accessible to DeFi. Proppy is a transforming way real estate deals are done by using advanced technology like blockchain and artificial intelligence. This makes closing a sale quicker, safer, and easier. To understand everything that is involved, by using AI-assisted title and escrow services, Proppy cuts manual work down by 40% and prevents fraud with on-chain deeds. Buyers and sellers have 24/7 access to real-time updates, ensuring a streamlined, efficient experience. Tokenization also reshapes commodity markets, representing assets like natural resources and gold as digital tokens. Let's talk about Pax Gold, PaxG. Each token of PaxG is backed by a full ounce of real gold, making it a secure investment. What sets Pax Gold apart from traditional gold investments is that it has lower costs and you don't have to pay for storage, and you can trade it almost instantaneously. What makes it a convenient option for everyone looking to invest in gold without the unusual hassle. As tokenization continues to gain transactions, it has the potential to open access to ownership, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized future. The decentralization of finance has influenced other industries as well. Regenerative finance, or ReFi, and decentralized finance, DeFi, are two areas that aim to apply blockchain concepts to existing fields today. Blockchain, mainly through the transformative work of ReFi, is playing a pivotal role in reshaping the carbon credit market. This technology is not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool to address climate change. Toucan and Regen are two blockchain-powered platforms transforming carbon credit markets, using blockchain to bring transparency, accountability, and real value to carbon credits today. Toucan bridges traditional carbon credits, creating a system where every credit is publicly traceable. Toucan creates a transparent, efficient market where project developers can instantly sell their credits, unlocking capital they need to scale their efforts. This streamlined approach helps establish fair market prices and enables faster and more impactful climate action. Regen.network takes it a step further by ensuring that carbon credits link to verified economical outcomes. Using satellite imagery, IoT sensors, and local data collection, Regen verifies that carbon offsets projects are measured and proven. Platforms like this provide more value to carbon credit markets, verifying that investments make a genuine impact. Finding climate action is both effective and impactful. They play an essential role in making a real difference in the world. Carbon credits inside our only industry that is modern. With tokenization, science should be open and collaborative and focused on discovery. Today, medical information is often scattered across different places, making it hard for patients to manage their own health records. At the same time, researchers find it challenging to get the information they need to make important discoveries in healthcare. Decentralized Science, or DeFi, is addressing these challenges by creating a community-driven research model. One that best describes examples is SpineDAO, a groundbreaking project by a group of neuroscientists that reshape how we approach spine care and research. SpineDAO unlocks data accessibility, allowing the entire community to collaborate more efficiently while ensuring privacy for those sharing their information. Tokenization and medical records allow for cross-border access, enabling patients to take their medical history with them wherever needed, and giving them the control over their health information. Datacon, a blockchain launched by BioAir, right here in Calgary, is pioneering the concept of DNA tokenization. Each patient is minted an NFT, a non-fungible token, a unique non-fungible token that represents their genetic information. Transforming genetic information is a secure digital token enables people to own, store, and control their own genetic data. This technology opens up many possibilities and includes personal healthcare services, secure identity verification, and the ability to share your genetic information for research when you choose. When science becomes open, transparent, and people-centered, the pace of progress accelerates. And that means faster cures, better treatments, and healthier futures. Regarding health, blockchain is changing our relationship with how we source our nutrition. Right now, food fraud costs the global economy billions, yet most cases go undetected. Agridex is changing that by leveraging the Solana blockchain to create an open, traceable marketplace, where fraud is more challenging to hide and certifications are instantly verified. Farmers, traders, investors all gain real-time visibility in the impact of their goods, pushing the industry towards a higher standard. For unbanked farmers, having a blockchain-verified history can be life-changing. It opens the door to credit and provides them with financial opportunities they may have never thought possible. Take cocoa farmers in Nigeria. The shipment to Netherlands processed through Agridex cuts costs by 43%. It speeds up delivery by 38%, reducing food waste, increasing efficiency, and ensuring that producers at the source are paid fairly. By receiving USDC, stablecoins for payments, farmers gain financial stability and with consistent, widely recognized currency that can be used across borders. Blockchain is bringing about meaningful changes in supply chains, offering a promised vision for the global trade. It aims to create a system that is not only fairer and faster, but also more inclusive to everyone involved. What kind of changes would your industry see from embracing blockchain today? This brings us to the community. That is us. Blockchain is evolving into a global movement, a network of communities building sustainable systems for the future. In a few years, the ecosystem hasn't just gotten bigger, it has matured. We're not just building apps and protocols, we're building teams, we're building organizations and companies that last for many generations. We're making sure there are people to carry this work forward, people who will progress these ideas beyond what we can imagine today. There are so many ways to be a part of the blockchain ecosystem. There are users, there are holders, there are app developers, there's protocol researchers, client developers, governance debaters, stakers, degens, regens, activists, radicals, artists, musicians, authors, educators, students, normies, and OGs. But how does a decentralized community coordinate? How does an industry move forward together? Many blockchains coordinate with DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Making decisions and applying upgrades, proposals pass through a governance before being applied. What even more incredible is the sheer global scale of this movement. There are at least 47 major blockchain events and hackathons booked around the world for 2025. Every one of these up-and-coming events represents a local community of people who have worked for years to welcome blockchain into their lives. And it is consistently a growing community. Websites like DoraHacks and ETH Global and Gitcoin are also great for developers to get started in hackathons, providing them with the tools they need through events and funding opportunities. This isn't just about technology, it's about the people. It's about communities coming together because the future of blockchain isn't about speculation. It's about collaboration. It belongs to all of us. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one thing is clear. Blockchain is more than just a technical breakthrough. It is a foundation and a future built on security, transparency, and ethical innovation. We've explored its origins. We've witnessed its transformative applications and recognized the power of community in shaping what comes next. Every new development strengthens trust. Every real-world application reinforces integrity. And every person who engages moves us closer to a decentralized and fairer world. The path forward is about using blockchain and data to create systems that empower, protect, and inspire. So let's keep innovating, let's keep building, and let's create a future that is secure, transparent, and ethical together. Thank you everyone so much for listening.